Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about 50 GB free cloud which you can get as a Jio user. So Jio Cloud is providing you 50 GB free of cost for a cloud space. So you can get it. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you need to install Jio app. I will take you to my phone and give you step-by-step information how you can get this 50 GB cloud free from Jio, and also you can get some additional services which I will show you in my phone now. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store or iOS store and you need to look for My Jio. So this app should be installed in your phone to avail these services. After that, you need to install it. I have already installed it, so it is showing me open option. Just open this app after installing it, and you need to log in with your phone number. You will get OTP and you can simply log in. And after opening this app, you can see AI Cloud is showing. At the bottom is also showing AI Cloud, and at the top is also showing. You can click anywhere AI Cloud. So it is very easy backup. So let's open this. You need to enable it. You can see enable backup, enjoy free space. So you can simply click here and give permission like backup permission to photos, whichever you want to allow permission. You can in your phone you can select other folders as well, and it will start backing up your data, because today's time photos, images and other data is very important, and even sometime we lose our data because of some malfunction in phone. So it is better to save your data in cloud. As a Jio user, you can get it. This offer is available for only Jio users. So you can see contacts, you can also turn on. You can also take backup of your contacts. You can allow backup of your contacts. So this is very useful as well. So you can take the backup of a document as well. From here you can need backup of your audio as well. So it is very useful. I have turned on everything and it will automatically back up for me. After that, I will want to show you another features of you can see you can create AI photo play as well. Use this feature as well, AI photo play, and you can scroll down a bit more and you can see audio option is showing, and you can see other features of Jio is also showing. You can click on this plus button at the top. You can upload, start uploading from here. So important files you can upload it from here. So you can scroll down and there's another feature, DigiLocker, which is very useful, and you can save your document here like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and it is a government approved application, DigiLocker. So it is very useful. I will suggest you to save your document because you need to show your document and use your document everywhere, and it is better to save your document in DigiLocker. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and you can also install the specific app of Jio Cloud in your system. So you can see it is getting uploaded for me. 235 MB is consumed, so it is automatically getting uploaded for me. And if you want to remove anything, you can move to trash as well. There's an option of showing here. If you want to delete something, you can delete as well from here. So you can take a backup of your important files, and it is very useful for Jio users. So you can install the specific app of Jio AI. So you can also go for Jio AI Cloud. So this is the specific app. You can see Jio AI Cloud. You can download this. It is, you can see more than 1 crore download is already there for it. You can install this Jio AI Cloud as well. This is very useful. So you can see here Jio AI Cloud is installed. You can simply open this app now and you can start using it. You can enter your phone number here. So you can see I am now logged in. I click on allow permission and you can simply use this Jio Cloud now. This is the very useful app. So you can see it is backing up of my important data. So this is a specific app for me, so you can use it. So I hope friends now you will be able to use this app. So I hope friends now you will be able to get Jio AI Cloud for free, 50 GB, and you will able to use this, which it is very beneficial because it will save your phone's space. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for more coming videos.